We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP Photosmart 7520 printer, and we're going to show you how to change your ink cartridges. So in case you're new to this printer or you've just never had to change those ink cartridges before, it's been a long time, we're just going to give you a quick refresher or a quick walkthrough. It's very simple. First thing you want to do is take note of whichever colors the printer is telling you need to be replaced. Once you know which colors need to be replaced, you're just going to go ahead and open the top of this printer here. Now you're going to wait for the print head to kind of settle here and stop here in the middle. Once the print head comes to a complete stop, now we can access the ink cartridges inside of it. So in our case, we need to replace the yellow. So you're just going to push in on the tab at the front of the cartridge. You'll see it kind of pop up. You can lift and remove the ink cartridge. Once you have your new ink cartridge completely unpacked and ready to use, you're just going to go ahead and take it, slide the back in, and then you're going to push the front of it down, all the way down until it clicks and it kind of settles down into place. Like I said, it'll be a nice firm seat once you're done. Just give it a little wiggle, make sure it's nice and firmly in there. It's not going to come back out. Now you're going to repeat that process for any and all inks that need to be replaced. Once you're done, you can go ahead and lower this whole top of the printer here. Now the printer will take a second to initialize and prepare that ink cartridge for use. And once it's done and the control panel comes back to a normal ready state, it'll be good to go and ready to use. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. And other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.